Hey guys, welcome back to another video.
So, today it's a little bit different. We're not doing how to make something, we're not doing Minecraft, we're not doing stop motion, or any of that. Today we're actually going to show you how to find out the screen time password. So, a lot of you, like me, have a screen time limit. And you guys always heard of these hacks and everything, but yours has a password and no one they just can't get it off. Now here's a trick how to actually do it, and it works. So if you guys have this screen recording already there, then good for you. You can see it now flashing because I'm recording right now. Normally it would be off, and you click on that to record. If you don't have it, then go on settings and then go on control center, customize controls, and here you have everything. And you just add this screen recording there. It'll be down here with the pluses, and you just add it, and then you have it. So what you are going to do is this. You're going to go to this area, you're going to click it. It's going to say 3, 2, 1, and then it's doing the screen recording. And then all you have to do, it's pretty simple. You go on one of your games, you ask for more time, enter screen time password, and then you ask your parents to type in the password for you. And you see, I'm just going to type in some random thing. You can see how the numbers, they just light up. That's how it's going to be on your video. So after they typed in the password, you just go here and you click it again, and then it will save to your photos in around 2 minutes. And then you can just browse it, and then you know your screen time password. So that's pretty handy. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching it. Leave a like down below and subscribe to me. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.